Hi, this is Stephen Brower from Raton Valley Community College. This is for CSIT 256 Computer Architecture and Assembly Language. And this demo is showing how to submit the main ASM that you did for Lab 1 into Canvas. So just as a reminder, what Hello World was as part of Lab 1 is to get this program that I have here running. Of course, using your name, you can do a variation on the message to display. But once you have the, let me run this again. Once your completed program is running, it's this main ASM is the one that you want to install. And again, remember, the main ASM is the one that's inside of this project, which was the Lab 1 project that I had showed as part of the first demo. If you hover over the tab, one thing you'll see is it'll remind you the location that the file is. So C:\Irvine /lab01_hello/main ASM. So if I go into Canvas, now there's multiple ways to get to the assignment. When you're in the page here, the course page, the home page for the course, one on the right-hand side, there should be the list of the assignments that are coming up, and it is showing here that the Assembly Lab i01 Hello World is over here. The other thing is, if I scroll down within this list, and I see here the week 1 assignments due 6/8, Hello World is there as well. And on the left-hand side, the syllabus tab, which what I'm about to click on is not complete, but you'll see the part that is there that is complete. So when I click on the syllabus tab, this would show the chronological list of assignments for the semester, of which it then shows that the Assembly Lab i01 Hello World is there. So whichever of those methods that you would prefer for accessing the lab, that's going to be up to you. And some of it might just be convenience of where you are at that point. In other words, if you're at the home page and you see on the right-hand side the assignment, you might just want to go and click on it there. That's going to be, a personal preference as to what you do. But what I'll do is I'll click on this one, the Assembly Lab i01 Hello World, which will open the assignment. Now, if you're watching this video, you already went to this point and went through the writing of the Hello World. In the upper right-hand corner, there's this big green button, Submit Assignment. So I'm going to pick Submit Assignment, which will expand down here. And what I want to do is I'm going to pick a file. So I'm going to do Choose File. I will have to traverse my hard drive. So I'll have to get to local disk, Irvine, Lab 01 Hello. There's the main ASM. Now this one here is from 12:08 p.m. So before you attach it, you can double check that it's the right date and the right time. But this is the file that I'm going to attach. If there's any comments you need to add, you would add those here. And we'll just hit Submit Assignment. Okay. Now, one thing that I did configure in terms of Canvas, that is you're allowed to resubmit the assignments again and again up until the end date. After the end date, you can't submit it anymore. So let's say for some reason you just realize, oh no, I attached the template, I didn't attach the Lab 1, then you could go and resubmit assignment, pick a file, and attach it. What Canvas will do, when you attach the same file again, it'll rename the file in Canvas as like main _1 Don't worry about the parentheses. I will deal with it on my end, but just more letting you know that Canvas does that rename automatically for you, whether you want it to or not. If you're paranoid and you want to know for sure that what was attached is the file, You could download it, but it'll download it to your download folder, and then you would need to view it in a text editor in order to see that it's the right one. I won't step through that here because I just was confident in the one that I'd submitted, the one from 12:08 p.m. Is the right one. And so for the assembly labs and for the assembly project, you'll just be attaching a main ASM, and that'll be the one file that's being attached for the labs. That should do it.